Hello students, I am Jay sir, welcoming you in second part of this chapter number 6, life process for standard 10, science and technology. Now, in the first part, I had ended with the video at the question that how the plants get their nutrition. So I am continuing from there only. So plant getting their nutrition from the inorganic substance such as carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight, that you know very well because you are studying from your lower classes, that plant getting the energy from carbon dioxide and water and with the help of sunlight. So these are the called as autotrophic nutrition. So according to nutrition, there are two types: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Auto means automatic. ठीक है, auto means automatic हो रहा है. So when the plant want to grow, they need a carbon dioxide, they need a water, and they need a sunlight. So I can say that autotrophic nutrition, in autotrophic nutrition, plant fulfill their energy from photosynthesis. Okay, I am writing a photosynthesis. Okay, so now the question is, what is photosynthesis? Clear? We will get to know this heterotrophic nutrition also, but after the completion of autotrophic nutrition. Clear? So first of all, write this one in your book so I can rub. Now coming on photosynthesis process, we have the chemical reaction that I am writing here. 6 CO2 plus 12 molecules of water, okay, when they react in the presence of sunlight, with the chlorophyll, it gives us, you can say carbohydrate or you can say glucose, C6H12O6 plus other byproduct. Clear? Other byproduct it gives us, that will be, I am writing down 6O2 plus 6H2O. These are the products. This is our byproducts and this is our main product. You can say glucose or you can say carbohydrate, and this is our reactant. I already explained you in the first chapter of chemical reaction, chemical equation, what is the reactant and what is product, which type of reaction occur. So now coming on to autotrophic nutrition. So I can say that autotrophic nutrition get their energy, or you can say fulfill their energy from photosynthesis. Now what is photosynthesis? So photosynthesis means when the inorganic material, or you can say substance, okay, plant get that inorganic substance or material in the form of carbon dioxide and water or and other minerals in the presence of sunlight. When sunlight exposed on that plant with the chlorophyll, presence of chlorophyll, it produce a product, okay, that is C6H12O6. So here the two process occur with the help of photosynthesis. First is the photosynthesis give the energy to the plant, and second, the plant is producing a product that you can say food, that we are getting it. Clear? So let's see what happened here in this reaction. So as I told you, what is reduction reaction? Reduction reaction means adding of hydrogen. Yes or no? Reduction means adding of hydrogen. So here the hydrogen is added. See, initial it is carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is converted into carbohydrate, or you can say glucose. Here the oxygen is added. So here is a reduction occur. Now you understand that which type of reaction here occur? Reduction reaction with whom? Carbon and carbohydrate, there will be a reduction reaction occur. So let's see what happened when the sun is exposed on the plant and what happened at that time. So events, there is a second point come, that is events occur during photosynthesis. So which events occur? Events occur during photosynthesis. This is a very important question. Can be asked in 2 marks. Equation and the events occur in photosynthesis, at the time of photosynthesis. First event, light will be exposed on the plant. What happened? Absorption of light energy. First point is absorption of light energy. Light energy we are getting from sun. Clear? थोड़ी आवाज आ रही है चौक में से, चलेगा ना? सेकेंड पॉइंट, आफ्टर द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी, जब लाइट गिरेगी उसमें जो एनर्जी होगी फोटॉन्स के फॉर्म में, जब वो प्लांट एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, देन व्हाट हैपन? कन्वर्जन हैपन. व्हाट हैपन? कन्वर्जन मींस कन्वर्ट होता है. तो कन्वर्जन ऑफ, व्हाट इज कन्वर्जन? तो लाइट एनर्जी to chemical energy. Light energy to chemical energy. And second is water molecule is splitted. Is splitted in H and O, hydrogen and oxygen. Clear? Second thing, what happened? When the light is absorbed by the plant, it get converted into light energy into chemical energy, and what happened? The water molecule which is present when the plant is absorbed, it's split into hydrogen and oxygen. Clear? Which you have seen the chemical reaction which I wrote here. Third point is, here is no space, so first of all write this point so I can rub above. Now the third point is reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate, which I already told you in chemical reaction. I already write before this. So these are the events occurred during the photosynthesis. Now coming on to chemical reaction. That chemical reaction, you have seen there is an arrow, and below the arrow there is I written sunlight, and above the arrow I had written chlorophyll. So some are aware of it, some are not aware of it. So let me recall you, what is chlorophyll? So chlorophyll is nothing, okay, chlorophyll is nothing but one type of green patch on the leaf. Clear? Is one type of green patch, or you can say there is one cell, okay, it contains a cell. I can also say that chlorophyll contains a cell and it is a green in color. The chlorophyll have to perform a very important role during the process of this autotrophic nutrition. So which are the process that chlorophyll perform? Let's consider it. But before going to start this, I have to clear one point, that when the plant get the energy from outside source, in organic source, it fulfills its requirement, it produces the food, and then the energy which it produces in the form of glucose, okay, when the energy that is in carbohydrate, or you can say glucose, is not used immediately, not used immediately. So if it is not used immediately, then what happen? So it's stored in the plant. This energy is stored in the plant in the form of, I can write here, energy stored in form of starch. I can give a name called as starch. This is a reserve energy. As you know that in your bike, we fill the petrol, we run our bike, and if we forgot to fill a petrol, what we do? We make our valve, petrol valve, on a reserve point, okay. So the petrol which is reserved, जो इन एनी ऐसी कंडीशन पे आ जाता है जब हमें ज़रूरत है उस पेट्रोल की, तब वो रिजर्व पे हम रखते हैं और उसे यूज़ करते हैं. सिमिलरली दिस हैपन विद द प्लांट. व्हेन द प्लांट नॉट गेटिंग दैट एनर्जी, I can call as a in the presence of sunlight, it not getting proper sunlight when plant, so it use this starch, so we will taking one activity, there we will understand about the chlorophyll and the starch, okay. Write this one, I can rub the board. Yes students, we had studied the photosynthesis process. In there we had also seen chlorophyll, sunlight. So how the chlorophyll work? So function of chlorophyll, we know that it is green color, it contains a cell, clear. So how it absorb the light, that will understand from our activity. So what is chlorophyll? There is a simple concept on the chlorophyll, is that is chloroplast. Understand? So we take a one leaf. I had prepared a leaf. We take a leaf. I prepare a leaf for you, and now I cut a one part of the leaf from here. I saw with a blue line. Take it in the laboratory and view through a microscopy. After the microscopic view, I get to know that there is one first layer is a cutile. Clear? Then after there is a cell. It is from epidermis. That is known as a epidermis. Then after there is some space and there is another cell that is called as a plant cell. Clear? The plant cell have a simple I had prepared a dots See, you're seeing here is the pink chalk. These dots are nothing but the chloroplast. Okay, is nothing but the chloroplast. So now what is chloroplast? Let's see the definition. These are the small organelles found in the plant cell. What I said, this is my plant cell, are found in plant cell. These are small organelles. Okay, this one type of small organelles. It contains the chlorophyll which absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis. Now this chloroplast contained a what? Chlorophyll. So what is function of chlorophyll? It to absorb the sunlight, okay, for the photosynthesis process. So where we found the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll found in the chloroplast. How we can get to know? Through the microscopic view of the small part of leaf. Clear? So let's see the one example. Why it is essential? What? Chlorophyll. Why chlorophyll is essential? So I am taking simple example that, or you can say this example, or you can say simple activity. You can consider as activity, or you can say example. Take two pot, okay, with a plant. So what we take? We will take two potted plant, or I can take as a money plant. Okay, this is my two potted plant. I take this two potted plant and state, or you can say put it at one place with a dark room. Clear? Now for a 3 days I will place in a dark room or it's a darkness in, or you can say for 3 days. Now after 3 days we have to take it away from this darkness and expose in a brightness sunlight. Okay, so expose bright sunlight about 6 hours. After 6 hours, what I will do? I will take one leaf. Clear? The leaf which contains some part greenish and some part are white in color. I take that leaf and boil it in alcohol. After boiling alcohol, I will take that leaf and put it in the boiled water. Clear? So when I taking out the leaf from the alcohol, what happened? My green color will be vanish out. Means my leaf become decolorized and my alcohol become green in color. But before putting in the alcohol, you have to do one thing, that take the leaf, okay, draw on your sheet paper or paper sheet where the green patches are there and where the not. Clear? You have to draw the patches, that this is my leaf. Okay, this is my leaf. Before putting in the alcohol, I will draw in the paper sheet that where I found the green patches. Then after I will put in the alcohol, and then after in boil water, and then after removing from boil water, I will wash this my leaf. After washing the leaf, what we do? We have to dip in dilute iodine solution. Clear? After putting in the dilute iodine solution, we had get to know that from this activity that the starch which is present in the leaf is used, and that is why some part of the leaf is green in color and some part is not in greenish color. So chlorophyll, where the starch will source, starch will be present at where the chlorophyll presence. जहाँ पे chlorophyll होगा ना, वहाँ पे स्टार्च प्रेजेंट होगा, ठीक है। तो क्लोरोफिल कौन से कलर में, ग्रीन कलर में है, ठीक है। सो प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च इट विल बी शोन बाय ए क्लोरोफिल। सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन से दैट chlorophyll is very important for the photosynthesis process, and second is the storage of starch. Starch means the reserve energy for the plant. Okay students, so I take this activity or you can say example to explain the essential of chlorophyll. Now second thing is come in my mind that I understand that light energy is absorbed by the chlorophyll. Clear? Now how the gas, carbon dioxide gas, is entered in the plant? It is one question. Yes or no? So it is because of the stomata. You have already studied in your previous classes. So I should write here. Stomata is the reason why the leaf or you can say plant get the carbon dioxide inside it. Clear? So how the stomata show? So nothing in your book there is a diagram given. I am preparing from your book. Clear? And it's such like that only. It is a green leaf, and this is one leaf of that plant. Now inside this I called as a number of dotted patches inside it. Okay, this is cells only. And this is my guard. This is which I am doing with blue part. This is my pink part, okay, and pink part I am showing with this is my guard. Guard cell. Clear? And this is my stomata. Okay, this is my stomata. The whole is my stomata, and this is my stomata pore. This part is my stomata pore. Okay, this is my guard. Clear? And this is a part of the leaf. Now anything else? Nothing remain in this. I can call this is my green part is there nothing but the chloroplast, which I explained in this left side. He is a chloroplast. This green part is a chloroplast. This is a stomata pore. Sorry, inside stomata pore, and this is a guard cell. Now what happened here? Stomata is nothing but this is my pore. From this pore, okay, the gas is come in and gas is out. When the plant think that it have the maximum amount, it fulfill with the carbon dioxide, this pore will be closed. This pink part will be closed and come touch each other like this. It come and shrink. Clear? When the plant think that it need a energy from outside in the form of carbon dioxide, so it will open like this. So this is my stomata pore where the gas is in and out, and this is a guard. Okay, this is a guard where it need, then it open, and it not need, it will be closed. With the help of this guard, it closed and open. And here is the chloroplast, which contain a chlorophyll. So Stomata is nothing but the gut. When the other point is that when the transpiration of the water is occur from here only, you know that the transpiration of water also. So this is nothing but the stomata which I explained here. Now we completed the autotrophic nutrition, which prepare a food by its own and also take its own nutrition, so it depend on it only. बोलते हैं ना किसी पे डिपेंडेंट मत रहो, आत्मनिर्भर. ऑटोट्रोपिक न्यूट्रिशन और यू कैन से ऑटोट्रोपिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर आत्मनिर्भर. ठीक है. सो आफ्टर दैट देयर इज another nutrition that is known as a heterotropic nutrition. The heterotropic nutrition is depend on another. So which are their heterotropic nutritions? How they behaving? What is the different function of that? We will study in the next video. Till then, I'm your Dad Sir, stumping this lecture here. Bye bye.